Imagine a magnificent ant colony, bustling with activity and ruled by a poised and regal queen ant, known for her composed demeanor. One serene day, amidst the quiet whispers of worker ants and guards on duty, the queen experiences something unexpected. With a sudden and massive, booming sneeze, the entire colony is thrown into chaos. Ants scurrying left and right, believing they are experiencing an earthquake or perhaps an invasion. Little do they know, the cause of this commotion is nothing more than a bit of pollen from a newly bloomed flower nearby. Can you believe it? One tiny sneeze managed to shake their whole world. What do you think? Can something so small have such a big impact?